Her films have examined injustice, memory, survival. National award winning filmmaker Tina Kaur Pasricha. Her acclaimed documentary 1984, When the Sun Didn't Rise, brought the voices of the Sikh widows of the 1984 massacre to the world.
What do you want out of a life?
Now the camera turns inward. A breast cancer survivor, a filmmaker, a deeply personal journey, difficult questions, uncomfortable truths. What if I tell you?
How was it like choosing yourself as the subject, the main subject of your own movie, rather than telling someone else's story?
See, the thing is that breast cancer is a very intimate experience, so it doesn't really feel right to me as a filmmaker, to approach someone and ask them about something like this. And I'm a survivor myself. So that's why I thought that it's good to be, intimate and honest and, turn the camera to my own self and share the journey from there.
So, in the movie, what surprised you most when you spoke to men about being a breast cancer survivor?
See, I think I really wouldn't. I mean, the thing is that in Bombay, people are educated, in all the big cities, people are educated and aware about the health. So there is no problem in such. But when we go to tier 2 cities, like a smaller town where I come from, people are definitely affected. They are thinking about, what will be our future, and all that stuff. So because marriages happen between 2 feet, not between only 2 people, it's also between families.
Of course.
So, the families are definitely thinking about, all the other things other than only about the girl in question. So there's definitely a stigma which is, very, very unsaid and very, very subtle. It cannot be like said on the face, especially in front of the camera where everyone wants to look good. But there are things that are there.
You should be practical in your life. What I practice? Your priority must be now family life.
What was the bigger challenge? A challenge, was it breast cancer itself or society's response to it?
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, it's not, it's very difficult to say which one was difficult because both the two are equally difficult. The reason why I was saying this story was to make a film about cancer and to raise awareness on cancer so that, people understand what is the treatment, what is the reason, why do you go for mammograms. But it's a very indirect, subtle message. It's not something which is on the face.
Have you found something with any of them?
I like one of them.
शादी हो रही है ये हो रही है बोले बेटा तू कब करेगा कोई ढूंढ ले.
So what conversations do you think the movie is going to inspire a week after its release?
See, so whatever focus screenings that we had till now, we have spoken about everything which is about the theme of the film. I wouldn't like to give it away, but we've spoken about nutrition, we've spoken about self-love, we've spoken about suppressed emotions that can cause cancer in the body. So we've spoken about so many things which are never spoken about and the vulnerabilities that we face in the screening, after the film screening has happened. So many things have come up and I'm glad that they've come up.
You're glad?
I'm
You're happy?
glad. Yes, of course.
What if I tell you? Already traveling across film festivals, already starting conversations, a search for acceptance, and the courage to speak.